Have you ever wondered how to flush toxins from your body, but weren't quite sure how to do it? What if I told you that the key to detoxification is already in your kitchen, or just a trip to the grocery store away? We constantly hear about detox diets and cleansing regimens, some effective, others misleading. But here's the truth. Nature has provided us with an abundance of foods that not only taste amazing, but also help cleanse our bodies naturally. In today's video, we'll explore 12 powerful foods that can help your body detox naturally. By the end, you'll have a simple, holistic roadmap to cleansing, not through deprivation, but through nourishment. Get ready to feel refreshed, energized, and healthier, all while enjoying delicious, wholesome foods. So, let's dive in. 1. Lemons Nature's Detox. Superstar lemons are more than just a zesty addition to your meals and drinks. They are one of the most powerful detoxifiers in nature. How lemons detox your body. Rich in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that neutralizes harmful free radicals. Boosts liver function, stimulates liver enzymes, helping to flush out toxins. Aids digestion. Citric acid supports digestion and prevents toxic buildup. Promotes hydration. Drinking lemon water encourages toxin elimination through urine. How to incorporate lemons. Start your day with warm lemon water. Use fresh lemon juice in salad dressings or as a seasoning for meals. Add lemon slices to tea or detox water for an extra boost. 2. Green tea, the ultimate antioxidant elixir. Green tea has been used for centuries for its health-boosting properties. Packed with antioxidants, it's an incredible detoxifier. How green tea detoxifies rich in catechins, EGCG, fights oxidative stress and supports liver function. Boosts metabolism, aids in fat breakdown, and promotes detoxification. Enhances liver health, helps the liver filter out toxins more efficiently. How to add green tea to your diet. Enjoy 3 to 5 cups daily for optimal benefits. Use chilled green tea as a smoothie base. Drink it in place of coffee for a healthier caffeine boost. 3. Garlic. The natural detoxifier garlic isn't just for flavor, it's a powerhouse of detox benefits. How garlic detoxifies. Contains allicin, supports liver detox enzymes, high in sulfur, helps flush out heavy metals and toxins. Boosts immunity. Its antimicrobial properties protect against infections. Easy ways to use garlic. Add fresh crushed garlic to your meals. Mix into soups, sauces, and stir-fries. Consume raw with warm water and lemon for an extra detox boost. 4. Beets, the liver's best friend. Beets are a vibrant superfood packed with detoxifying nutrients. How beets help. Detox, rich in betalains, powerful antioxidants that support liver function, high in fiber, aids digestion and prevents toxin buildup, boosts blood flow, improves oxygen circulation, and supports detoxification. How to enjoy beets. Add raw grated beets to salads. Roast beets for a delicious side dish. Blend into smoothies or fresh juices. The turmeric, the golden detox spice. Turmeric is more than just a colorful spice, it's a detoxifying powerhouse. How turmeric detoxifies. Contains curcumin, supports liver detox, and fights inflammation. Boosts glutathione, a key antioxidant that helps eliminate toxins. Enhances bile production, helps flush out fat-soluble toxins. How to use turmeric. Add it to soups, stews, and rice dishes. Mix into smoothies or make golden milk with turmeric, black pepper, and milk. Use it in homemade dressings for an anti-inflammatory boost. 6. Ginger, a natural cleanser. Ginger is well known for its ability to aid digestion and detoxify the body. How ginger detoxifies. Speeds up digestion, prevents toxin buildup in the gut, reduces inflammation, fights oxidative stress and supports detox, boosts circulation, helps remove toxins from the bloodstream. How to use ginger. Add fresh ginger to hot tea or smoothies. Use in stir-fries, soups, or salad dressings. Make a detox ginger shot with lemon and honey. Star 7. Kale, the leafy green detoxifier. Kale is a nutrient-dense superfood loaded with detoxifying benefits. How kale helps detox: high in antioxidants, fights toxins and supports liver function. Rich in chlorophyll, helps cleanse heavy metals from the body. Supports digestion, high fiber aids, gut health and elimination. How to eat more kale: toss it into salads, soups, and smoothies. Sauté with garlic and olive oil for a tasty side dish. Make crispy kale chips for a healthy snack. 8. Blueberries, tiny but mighty detoxifiers. These small berries pack a powerful detoxifying punch. How blueberries detox. Your body, loaded with antioxidants, neutralizes harmful free radicals, supports liver function, aids in breaking down toxins, boosts gut health. Prebiotic properties support digestion. How to enjoy blueberries: eat them fresh as a snack, blend into smoothies or yogurt bowls, use in oatmeal or as a topping for healthy desserts. Detoxing doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. By incorporating these 12 powerful foods into your diet, you'll naturally support your body's ability to cleanse itself, all while enjoying delicious, nutritious meals. Which detox food is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Stay healthy, stay vibrant, and I'll see you in the next video.